In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage blog tags in HubSpot. So to do that, what you can do is you can just head over and then locate your blog first. You can do so by going over to your content. So click onto this right here and then click on blog. Once you're in there, you should be able to see your blog. So for this case, you can just click onto this gear icon labeled settings. So click on this and you should be able to see in here. So for this case, just locate the option for tags. We have in here author and tags. Click onto this tags right here and you can add a new tag that you want. So click on add, and for example, let's add right here general. Click on create, then that tag will be added right here. So click on this and you can just search for the newly added tag for this to be added right here as well. So click on this and it will be added. So you can add new ones if you want. So you can just name it, edit, and delete the tags as needed. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.